What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Roblox game tag color. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. According to Roblox support, game tag colors are randomly assigned. Right now, you can't change this color directly in the Roblox app or website. But there's a way you can try to request a color change. First, head to roblox.com/support. This page allows you to contact Roblox support. On the support page, you'll need to fill out some details. Enter your name and email address. Then, under Issue Details, choose your platform. For the type of help category, select Ideas and Suggestions. This is because you're suggesting a new feature or change. In the description of issue box, explain why you want to change your game tag color. Tell them how this change would improve your experience in Roblox. After filling out the form, send your request to the Roblox support team. They are known for being friendly and responsive. This doesn't guarantee your tag color will change, but it's worth trying, especially if a particular color would make your gaming experience better. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.